Andrés Maruai's house by NAN Arquitectos in Pontevedra, Spain. A home for a couple, a baby, and 2 dogs. Taking into account the pre-existence, a very respectful project is carried out with these essential elements of the old home. We kept the doors, some carpentry elements, and slabs, and discovered the concrete structures that we considered interesting. New design elements are introduced, such as a bench in the kitchen, or radiator covers, which dialogue with the pre-existence and generate a completely harmonious whole. The idea is to generate a fluid, open space, with hardly any divisions that give spaciousness to the space. For this, the choice of materials and finishes is also important in order to provide a similar image or aesthetic in all spaces. The floor plan has a U shape, so the separation between day and night areas is very immediate. The space is divided into 3 longitudinal segments. One that houses the kitchen, dining room, and laundry room, another with a living room and study space, and another where the bedrooms are located. In terms of materials, the aim is to homogenize the entire space, so a continuous floor runs across the entire surface, with the exception of a bathroom where the previous image is respected. The walls are white painted panels and the furniture is a mix of natural wood and white lacquer. Chromatically, the predominant colors are white and gray, so the image transmitted is very consistent throughout the home. The lighting is very subtle, emphasizing the architectural elements that we consider most interesting, and we use a projecting technical lighting system with visible installation.